What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing? In fact, many successful investors began with much less than you might imagine. If you have just $100, you already have enough to take your first step toward building wealth. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners in the United States can start investing with only $100, even with no prior experience. Let's get started. The biggest mistake people make is believing they need to be rich before they can invest. The truth is, investing is often what helps people become wealthy over time. It's not about how much money you start with. It's about starting early and staying consistent. Even small investments have the potential to grow through the power of compound growth. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to work for you. Before investing your $100, make sure you have at least a small emergency fund. Unexpected expenses happen. If you constantly need to withdraw your investments to cover emergencies, it becomes difficult to build long-term wealth. Once you set aside some money for emergencies, you can focus on investing with confidence. Today, investing has become more accessible than ever. Many investment apps allow beginners to start with very small amounts of money. Look for platforms that offer low or no account minimums, commission-free trading, fractional shares, and easy-to-use educational resources. These features can help new investors learn while they grow their portfolios. If you're a beginner, trying to pick individual winning stocks can be challenging. Instead, many experts recommend considering index funds or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. These investments spread your money across many different companies, helping reduce risk through diversification. Rather than relying on the success of a single company, you're investing in a broader section of the market. For many beginners, this can be a simple and practical starting point. Let's say you invest your first $100 today. Then you continue adding $25 or $50 each month. Over time, those regular contributions can add up significantly. Successful investing isn't usually about finding the next hot stock. It's about discipline, patience, and consistency. Small actions repeated over many years can produce remarkable results. The best investment you can make is in your financial education. Read books, listen to trusted financial experts, learn the basics of risk, diversification, and long-term planning. The more knowledge you gain, the more confident you will become in your financial decisions. Remember, every experienced investor was once a beginner. Starting with $100 may not seem like much, but every great financial journey begins with a single step. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need a large paycheck, and you certainly don't need to wait until someday. If you have $100 and the willingness to learn, you already have what it takes to begin. Start small, stay consistent, and let time become your greatest financial ally. Your future self will thank you for the decision you made today.